The nasty storm headed our way. We're kicking off our first alert weather.
Yeah, this is a new emphasis on weather days that will impact you the most. KDKA meteorologist Ray Petelin joins us with a look at first alert and also that winter storm that is coming with us later this week. Ray.
Yeah, first alert is a way to get you to quickly realize the days we're talking about and the impacts we're talking about that are going to disrupt things in your life, whether it's kids going to school, whether it's your commute to work. It's going to be easy for you to find that in our messaging and in our graphics. It also gives us the chance to talk more about the weather that's going to be coming your way. And we can talk about systems that are ways out and realistically talk about how they could impact us and how things are going to change. And you're going to find we've been doing a lot of these things, but the look of this is going to really shine and show you where we're seeing things that you need to pay very close attention to. And one of those things is we have a winter storm watch for a good chunk of our viewing area right now. As it stands, I think we're going to see more of these counties included as we go through time. So just know that this is going to probably be more widespread than what the watches are showing now. But these are issued out ahead of either a warning or an advisory because we have winter weather on the way. And this winter weather is going to be really impacting us Thursday and Friday. This is where we're expecting the biggest disruptions to travel. This is where we're expecting it to be the hardest to go around. And if you're going to see closings or delays for school, Thursday and Friday are it. Because tomorrow we get rain. Wednesday, and it's going to be late. So a good chunk of the day is going to be dry. A good chunk of the day is going to be warm. We don't have too much to worry about there. One of the concerns, though, is the rain and the snow melt, leading to some flooding before this transitions to an icy mix. And this is the icy mix that could cause some very slick conditions around for Thursday. And on Friday, this is going to change over to snow. That's why we have this winter storm watch from Thursday into Friday. The icy mix, which could include that freezing icy glaze, and snow. And right now that system's well back to the west. You can see St. Louis is in the rain. You go up to Chicago, you start getting that transition to snow. And this system's going to be building towards us and causing that changeover. But again, tomorrow is not the concern when it comes to getting around. The biggest thing you're going to have to deal with is possibly a few showers around the evening commute, but most of the day comes with clouds. Most of the day comes in very warm. Once we get to about 5, 6 o'clock, this is where the rain, the green starts to show up here. But it's Wednesday night into Thursday where that pink line gets closer, and watch it expand. As it gets closer to our area, it is going to spread. And by the time we're into early Thursday, that is going to lead to some very slick conditions becoming possible. Beyond that, Thursday into Friday, we're going to see that snow line dropping down our way. That could come with accumulations, and snow on ice is not a good combination at all. And this snow is going to last through a good chunk of Friday, the way things are looking now before it starts to break up. So we have a situation where rain is going to prevent pre-treating. So once this changeover to freezing rain occurs, things are going to be slick, and they're going to be slick a while until crews can get that cleaned up. The transition to freezing rain is going to quickly create those slick conditions, and then the snow on top of that into Friday could make things even worse. So just know we're in for a couple of nasty winter days coming up. Tonight, it's not that night. We're going to actually have a fairly quiet setup tonight with our temperatures in the low to mid 20s. This is also going to come with increasing clouds throughout the course of the nighttime. And then into the next 7 days, this is where you can really see the impacts. Thursday and Friday are the days we need to pay the closest attention to in respects to travel. Temperatures falling quickly, changing to snow on Friday. Into the weekend, a lot more quiet, but we'll have a cold start to the weekend, and cooler temperatures are going to last through a good chunk of this forecast. We will be right back.